Hodgepodge Australia. Today we are making this very cute Kawaii Heart Cake right in time for Valentine's Day. It's so easy to put together, so let's get started. Now I've just made myself a square cake here. I've got nice height because I wanted the heart to look lovely and full. And as you can see, I've just printed out a template for a Kawaii heart I found online, and I'm going to trace around the outside so that I get my lovely heart shape. You can also do this with a square cake and a round cake, and then you cut the round cake in half and you put it on diagonally with the square cake and you get a heart. But to me, why not just bake a big square and cut out the heart? Next, you can see here that we are simply doing a crumb coat. I'm not going to level off my cake because I want it to have that lovely domed shape just like a heart would have, that I imagine in my head anyway. Next, we're going to roll out some pink fondant. I have my mat, which makes it very nice and easy to roll out without getting stuck to my rolling pin. I'm then going to place my fondant onto the heart and make sure I smooth it down around all the grooves so we get that lovely heart shape. Make sure it's tucked in nice and tight into those corners on the board, and then we're going to trim off the excess. Next, it's time to do the lovely face on our kawaii heart. The great thing about kawaii is that everything is very simple, so it's just lovely shapes all put together to make a very cute face. So just using a cookie cutter, you can cut out some lovely circles for the eyes, roll out a couple of sausages, cut them in half, and you've got those lovely little eyelashes coming off the side, which are just so cute. Again, so easy to put together. Any beginner can do this cake because it's just simple shapes. We're now going to do the mouth, so adding a little bit of water to stick our mouth down, which again is just another curved sausage. And I'm just going to add in these little details on the side of the kawaii cake because otherwise it's just a little bit plain, so I'm still going to put those lines on the side. I'm going to do a black border around the edge of the cake at the bottom. And we're simply going to do that again by rolling out some lovely long sausages and placing them down one side and then meeting it up on the other. So just starting at the top of the heart, meeting it at the bottom, rolling out another sausage and doing the same on the other side. To finish off this heart with those extra little details, we're going to roll out just the smallest bit of white fondant, cut an even smaller circle, place that up in the tops for the pupils, and then an even teeny tinier little circle, which is why these cutters come in really handy, and just placing them down in the corner to really finish off that kawaii look. That is how simple it is to make a kawaii heart cake. I really hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe. Pop a comment in the comment section down below if you plan to make this, and we'll see you again real soon.